It's like I'm on a big slushy.
Big slushy?
Oh, what the heck?
We have a pool cover and we're walking on it. Don't jump and stuff though.
Boom.
Boom, it's like my tummy when you poke it. We are back at the house. It is day one after the big old home show that we had that had 26,000 people walk through our house. Seriously. 26,000, there were 31 homes in our local area and ours was the most visited out of all of them by over 1,000 visits. Thanks to a lot of you guys, a lot of our fans that just came and wanted to see the house and meet us. It was a really cool meetup. I just learned how to put the cover on the pool, so we did that. And today we're gonna go through the house and take a look at it. What do the damages look like? We did some really unique things with the hardware inside of this home. Things that maybe you may not think of when you're building a home, but actually make a huge statement and make the house look a lot more beautiful from the design standpoint. We partnered with Baldwin Hardware in order to put all of the hardware in our house, so we're gonna do a little competition with the kids. Okay, let's walk around the house. Show me some of the damage that has happened when 26,000 people visit your house.
You know, surprisingly, we haven't had it that bad. There's little tiny marks on the wall. You can see
like where?
fingerprints.
Let's see it.
You can see like marks right here on the walls. There's scratches over here you can see.
Oh yeah, that's a pretty big scratch right there, right there, right there. Oh, right there, right there. There's some more. How are there fingerprints?
People like to touch the walls for some reason.
There's another one
really
right there.
strange. Your sister said she was just going along, going like this, going, I just love it all.
Sometimes we had 4,000 people within 2 hours that walked through the house. Seriously, we scanned their tickets. So the carpets, that's probably one of the questions. How do the carpets and the wood floors hold up? They actually did quite well. We put some plastic covering on here and it looked pretty good. It still needs to be cleaned. And if you look kind of on the wood parts of this, there's just like hairs and fibers and gross stuff on it. So that's kind of gross that we have like people's human dust and hairs on the corners.
We're
so
doing a deep clean. Deep clean's happening soon.
Why not now? Why aren't we doing it now?
Because we're doing touch-ups, we're doing paint, other workers
So
are
we
coming
want to clean
in.
and then do touch-ups and then clean again?
We don't want to clean twice because it's expensive to clean multiple times, deep clean.
Do you want people's human hairs in your house?
No.
So the carpet held up pretty well, and then the wood floors, we did have a few panels that just kind of like popped up. They kind of popped up. When you put in this much wood floor, like thousands of square feet of flooring, especially with the way that we did it, you're going to have some that pop up a little bit. You can either just glue it back in or you just cut it out and you put a brand new one in and it works great. We had to do these temporary fixes. This is probably the one that didn't work so well. You can see there's like some glue on here, a piece of the wood broke out a little bit. But the good thing is there's a warranty on these floors and our builder, Jonathan, is really good with wood floors. That's what the business that he was in before he started building custom homes. The marble floors, they did get a bit dirty. The master shower is probably the one that's like the dirtiest to me, but this shower is amazing. This is an incredible shower. And you can just see, it's still beautiful, but like it is dirty. Yeah, it's so, I don't even know how you clean this.
It's gonna be like sparkly clean again.
Okay, the whole crew is here right now, other than Susan, our interior designer and home builder. We're gonna do a little competition. We have multiple types of hardware in this house. We have black doors, we have white doors, we have gray doors. What kind of doorknobs did we choose? There's certain handles that we have on the different like pullouts in the kids' bedrooms. Some of them have like little knobs on their different dressers. The kitchen, there's a bunch in there. We have the pantry. You could just go and just buy the same thing and put them everywhere. But when you're designing your own home, you kind of wanna make it special and make things that actually fit with the design of the home. Competitor 1, 2, and 3. Not the dog, you, Claire, not Leslie either. We are going to see who can guess the closest of how many pieces of hardware we have in the house. Hinges on the doors don't count. We're not gonna count the exterior doors. So right now is a chance for you guys to even go and put your number in right now, and don't cheat and go to the end of the video, but put what your number is of what you think right now of how many there's gonna be.
Okay, so that's London's, here's Claire's.
I bet I'm gonna be wrong. Wait, what's the prize?
What does the winner get?
Something's really special.
In order to make this work the most efficiently, we are gonna split up. Lincoln, why don't you go get the studio and your bedroom.
Got it.
And your bathroom. You are going to get your bedroom.
Guest room?
And the guest room. The kitchen. There are a lot inside of here. We have some really cool ones, like these ones are like flat on the edge. Lincoln, you went outside, what do you got?
60.
For the studio?
60 just in the studio and the bedroom?
No, 60 inside my bathroom, bedroom, and the studio.
Ooh,
Awesome.
that's a lot. Claire, how about the kitchen?
Oh, don't
61.
61 in the kitchen.
Okay.
They're all adding up. We got the numbers on the screen right now. This is
Way
just
off.
like Storage Wars.
I am way off.
You don't know yet. We haven't counted everything yet.
So let me just guess now.
No, you
No.
can't. No,
This
no,
doesn't
no.
matter.
No.
But I'm just gonna guess.
No.
I'm not
Stop,
gonna,
Cybertruck Elon Musk fanboy.
I can't change it.
Hallway, did we get this hallway? They're everywhere in here. These are some of my favorite ones too. Like I love this one right
Okay,
here where I'm
so
gonna
1,
store all
2,
my hats.
3.
Okay, 21 in the hallway. How about the laundry room and the powder bathroom? These are really pretty in here.
Wait.
They're like little glass ones.
Did I
This
count
is-
each of these like 1, 2, 3?
yeah, everyone's a piece of hardware.
64.
64.
64, that's powder and laundry together.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are the cupboards that we're never gonna actually use. This one I can reach that. All right, we have doorknob. Do doorknobs count as 2 or 1?
2, I count it as 2.
Perfect, yeah, because there's one on each side of the door. I love this gold one.
So gorgeous with the black. Hold on.
Oh, Susan?
That's Susan's here.
Hey!
Hi!
Okay, we have something really important for you. If you had to add up every single piece of hardware, don't say it out loud, that's inside everywhere in the house. You're talking little knobs, you're talking doorknobs, every
Not
door
hinges.
counts as 2.
Not hinges.
No hinges.
Okay. Am I saying it or you're saying it?
Nobody's saying it yet. Okay, all right. Now we have Susan, who is the home builder and the interior designer. We already talked about some of the damage that was in the house, like we showed the walls, any other things that are damaged in the house that maybe you would, when 26,000 people come through, just kind of get wrecked.
The doors get a little beating sometimes coming through. This one especially, you can see we had to do a little quick touch up with some black Sharpie even. Because
Oh, just a black Sharpie on the door?
Because
I didn't even notice that.
Big. It was a pretty big gash, like only like a few days in, so that was
one.
a little tricky.
What about like this white mark right here? Do you think that's, oh
Same.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ugh, so the door, and we can fix
Yeah.
it still, it's a black door,
Yeah.
we'll be fine. Just paint it.
Repaint.
I heard a lot of people talking about these golden doorknobs. I think they look awesome.
These are Baldwin and they're a brass, like they're like a solid brass doorknob, and the plate.
Wait, you're telling me that our doorknobs are not actual gold?
They're brass. Brass is still great. They're
They're
heavy.
beautiful. They're so,
heavy.
It's surprising when you lifted them up. They are
Yeah.
such good high quality. It's from a designer called Aaron V, and it's called the Hollywood Hills Collection.
Definitely modern, but still has a nice traditional, classy element.
But I love just how like prominent the back plate is on here. And when you pick these up when they came, it's substantially heavy. Like
They're really
Solid.
heavy. Solid.
There's a few places in the house where we decided that the brass just maybe didn't make as much sense from a design standpoint. So places like inside of the garage, into our studio, where we didn't go with the brass doorknobs. We still went with the beautiful back plate and the door handle. It's still the same design, it's still the Baldwin hardware with the Hollywood Hills design, but it's black. So I guess there's a lot of different finishes that you can get with it, but that one is really nice. Lincoln, Claire, somebody come count. We have the last room. Master and the master bathroom.
Okay.
You got this?
1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 8, right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 40.
40 in the bathroom. Leslie, 40 in the bathroom, write it down.
done.
Oh my gosh, I love this closet.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Nope, 12, 13, 14.
72?
So
Was it
40.
42 in the front?
No, 40,
40
and 30.
and 30.
40 and 30, 70. The moment of truth right now. Leslie, where's all the numbers? Did you take good math? Why are some crossed out and stuff?
They recounted it and said I was wrong.
Okay,
So master
there
bath.
it is. This is the moment.
Yikes, mine is
All right,
so...
have a seat. Have a seat, guys.
It'll take a second. 61 kitchen. Claire combination of
Dang it
first-
already. What? Did you choose less than 60?
was 42 for her room, bathroom, closet. London did 19. Studio, 60. 21 for the hall, 64 for the laundry. Piano room's 8. There's a random 2 from somewhere. 70 for the master bathroom closet.
This is the final number?
Yes.
This is it?
Give or take, maybe 10.
Give or take, no, this is exact, otherwise you're counting again. 407.
Guess who the winner is?
Okay, Susan, what did you guess?
319.
Oh my...
319, what did you choose?
670 or something?
Okay, Claire, what'd you choose?
Too much.
Too much? London, what'd you choose?
97.
Wait, so I'm second, right?
You're second.
Yes.
Okay, good news. The prizes are here. And Everybody gets a prize. We're gonna give out the first place prize to Susan, the interior designer. She had some inside knowledge. She didn't ever count them, but she remembers like going through the ordering process, I'm sure. So we've got a prize for her, a special prize that actually just arrived in the mail today, all the way from New York City, from somebody really cool. This is a present that we got in the mail today from one of our friends, Gary Vaynerchuk. Gary V just sent us this today. We're giving it to you.
He just said if it's food, then I'll be happy.
This is from Gary V.
I'm so excited.
He just sent it to us today, and so we're like, hey, we'll send it. I think it's for his new thing, Wine Library.
Yeah.
I don't know what Gary's up to, if he's doing like some sort of fancy food with the wine, Empathy Wines and Wine Library that he does, but he just sent this to us, and it just happened to come today. It's not sponsored other than he just sent it to us randomly.
Awesome.
I think I will like it more than Lincoln.
Susan's like, I'm so glad I just happened to show up right as you were filming this video. All right, there's the grand prize, prize number 1. Side note, we were gonna give that to her whether she won or not. All of you get prizes!
Yay!
Lincoln, you get a new pair of shoes. From either adidas.com or nike.com, you get to choose. There's a price limit, but yes, you get them.
What's the price limit?
No more than $200, all right?
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, London, you
Is
get,
my prize already here?
you get 2 new
Go to
Barbies.
the store right now.
Store right now, go. Okay, Claire, you get 2 new hardbound books. Is that good? Is that what you want? Is that a good prize? Okay, this was a good excuse to give them prizes.
Yes.
It's really nice to see that the house is still in good shape. Huge thanks to Baldwin for sponsoring this video and actually providing us some of the hardware inside of our home. So thank you, Baldwin, for making our house more beautiful. None of the knobs broke. It's like luxurious, but also very durable and held up quite well inside of the house. We're really excited to live in this house. And if you guys are interested in Baldwin's hardware, we'll put a link in the description. You can see more about it. Stay tuned. Maybe next week we'll do like a move-in video.
Yes.
The house is almost ours.
Aloha.
Pickles!
I just love it all. Done.